Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I am fucking starving. Today we're only rightfully doing a mukbang. I have here an extra large ramen, only for mukbang challengers. You heard it here first. And we're just gonna start. I've also got some pre-peeled, boiled eggs. Soup, good soup. The little, what is this? Plastic! And we've got the 4 little ramen. This is gonna be so easy. Like, please, come on. Like, where's the real challenge? There should have been like 12. Then it would have been like a little bit more intense. But then it would have been like, it would have gave like avocado. Oh my gosh, can this take boiling water? Yeah, it definitely can, I think. I don't know, guys. Have y'all heard the avocado tea? Okay, it's getting sarse. It's getting sarse. Ooh, it's getting hot in here. So steamy. Oh, it's looking real juicy. Oh my gosh, I bet this has like 1,000 grams of sodium. Kind of scared, but it's a vibe. It's a vibe, do you know what I mean? You gotta get all the sodium in there, you know? Ooh, I can just feel the clogged arteries already. And the obesity coming. Stop, oh my god, I'm gonna get canceled. Can we take a look at this just for a little appreciation moment for a sec? That's giving like major avocado vibes. Okay, we're gonna put the boiling eggs in. Ah! Fuck, it just sprayed all over me. That was not so smart. I think I'm gonna let it, cook and simmer in there for a moment. Should we check it? Okay, wait, 4 of these is kind of difficult. I don't know. I feel like it's easy. I can't tell. Also, real quick before I start munching and crunching, apparently these mukbangers are fakes. They'll eat a nibble, right? They'll eat a nibble and then they'll cut the cam and then like take away half of the food and then like cut the cam back. It looks like they just ate like half of the food. When in reality, these mukbangers are taking little tiny nibbles and then like throwing the rest of the food in the trash away. I do not do any cuts while I start eating because I am not a cheater. I do not condone cheating and I am not a part of the cheating lifestyle. So it's not me. It's not who I am. It's not what I stand for. I'm gonna grab a napkin just in case it gives a little splashy poo, you know? You know what I'm saying? I wanna start eating! I'm so hungry. Oh my god. I think it's ready. Yeah, that's ready. Oh, this looks juicy. This looks fucking mega juicy. Ugh, I wish I had a better angle for you. Like if I did a little prop up. I don't know. Damn, how do those mukbangers do it? That's like difficult. That's like professional mukbang level. I don't know. I feel like this is like good enough. Can y'all see? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, wait, this is a decent amount of ramen. Stop. Why am I intimidated? Okay, let's not get mukbanging. Wait, I have to make it more intimidating on cam. You know how those like mukbangers show like the food and it's oh, this is mukbanger status. Okay, let's get started. Stop. I'm really putting myself online to do this. Ugh, it's so hot, guys. I can't. Ooh, it has a good like little kick of spice to it. Oh, this is gonna be so easy. This is a good amount of ramen, I'm not gonna lie. Mm-mm. The water is still like boiling hot. So like, I put it in my mouth and it was literally so hot. I have to do a little blow before. Oh my god, that sentence could be interpreted in so many ways. Mmm. Wait, stop. This is literally so mukbang central. Wait, I feel like a professional mukbanger right now. Like, I'm obsessed. Oh god, this is a lot of ramen. I think I'm getting a little nervous. Oh. Mmm. Mmm. You know what I want to mukbang next? Like those spicy noodles. Like that. Those spicy creamy noodles. Ugh, why am I blurry? Oh my god. My camera's been being a little weird lately. I don't know what's going on with that. Mmm. Oh my god. Literally so delicious. Yeah, I want to try to mukbang those spicy creamy noodles next. Like the ones Nick Avocado does. Like they look so tasty. But I'd be so afraid to eat that amount of like food because I'd literally explode. Like I'd full on explode. First egg. Just cleaning up my area. Uh-oh. Why am I low-key getting full? Stop. I haven't even made a dent. Oh my gosh, it's getting serious. I feel like this is like the sequel to the mukbang where I ate 12 eggs. Except that was brutal. I ate all of them, but literally after eating all of them, I literally had diarrhea for the entire rest of the day. And it was so difficult to survive. That I will never do again. Yeah, that was traumatizing. I'm just cleaning up my area, you know. Oh my god, this is intense, guys. probably should have cleaned my area before. But, oh God, it just sprayed my eyeballs. Okay, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. That was for my thumbnail for this video. Also another thumbnail potential for this video. I know the apple's rotten right to the core. I split the apple down symmetrical lines. I thought I was gonna burp. Okay. Okay. This is getting challenging. I have a lot more to go. Oh my gosh. I'm scared. This is literally how avocado, like, how do I say this nicely? Gained weight. Like, this is the start of it. That just means that I'm going to gain 250 pounds. And I'm just going to become a professional mukbanger. Fuck. I feel like I have to burp. Okay, I guess I don't. Wait. Excuse me. I just ate a rice cake. It's getting kind of brutal. I'm not gonna lie, I'm getting pretty full. Fuck! I should have got like a drink or something. Like some juice? What do mukbangers usually drink? Like a cucumber spritz? What am I doing with my life? I don't know. God, is this what I want to do with my life? Yeah, it is. Yeah, it definitely is. Almost choked. Yeah, I'm getting really full. I don't know how those mukbangers do it. Like, how does your stomach not explode? Like, are your intestines okay? Like, I'm confused. Because I'm, like, getting kind of chunky. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it right in the core. I want some green tea. Oh, That would be so good right now. Some nice ice cold green tea. Oh my god. I miss Japan. America just doesn't do it like the Asians do, you know? Like the Asians know what's up. Like Japan, you gotta show America what's up. You gotta put America in their place. Oh, I feel like I'm gonna explode. Oh my. This is giving me PTSD from the 12 egg mukbang video. Oh my god. I just know I'm gonna shit all of this out. Oh god, this is not good. I can't quit though. I'm feeling it. I'm almost there though. I think I've almost finished. It's these damn fucking eggs. Like, these eggs are always fucking it up. Not in the good way. Okay, wait. That made room for more. I need some water. It's getting scarce. I wonder if water like helps with mukbangs or if it like hinders the mukbang. Okay, wait, I think I finished. I just need to eat these 2 eggs, which is literally like a challenge. It sounds really bad right now to eat. Why did I do this to myself? That was weird. Why was there plastic on my egg? That's weird. Yeah, these are like tiny noodles. Like, these don't count. I mean, I'll eat this one. Wait. I think I won. I think I did it. Last egg. And I've finished the mukbang. Fuck no. How do I do this to myself? Imagine I just, hey guys, I'm going off camera real quick. No cheating. I'm done. I think that's it. I literally feel like I want to explode. Let's take a moment to appreciate the food God has given us. But yeah, I did it. This is just all like tininess. That's it, guys. Thanks for coming to my mukbang. I'm gonna go to the bathroom now. Bye.